Hello friends, today we will discuss cultivation practices of potato. Myself Professor Y.R. Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KKO College of Agriculture, Nasik. First of all, common name of potato. It is commonly known as king of vegetable, poor man friends. Botanically, it is known as Solanum tubersum, family Solanaceae. It is a native from Europe. It is a staple food of India, main food after wheat and rice. Potato is a rich source of starch, carbohydrates, vitamin C. Let's climatic condition for potato cultivation. It is a cool season crop. Young plant grow best at temperature 24 degrees Celsius temperature. Later growth is favored at 18 degrees Celsius. Tuber production reach a maximum at 20 degrees Celsius temperature and decrease with rise in temperature, and at about 30 degrees Celsius tuber production stop entirely. Sunny day and cool climate short day favors better tuber development. Soil requirement for potato cultivation. The potato develop best on deep, fertile, sandy to clay loams with good water retention capacity. Varieties of potato. Commercially, potato variety released by Central Potato Research Institute, Shimla. These are the varieties of potato: Kupri Sinduri, Kupri Chandramukhi, Kupri Jyoti, Kupri Chiksona 1, Kupri Chiksona 2, Kupri Lalima, Kupri Himsona, Kupri Sadavahar, Kupri Badshah, Kupri Jyoti, Kupri Sinduri. These are the varieties of potato. Kupri Chiksona is a good for chip making, contain 20% dry matter. It is the most preferable variety for processing industries. Next, propagation and seed rate for potato cultivation. Potato commercially propagated by tubers planted either whole or cut into the pieces. To obtain maximum yield, 30 to 50 grams healthy disease-free tubers free from mixtures of other variety should be used. Tuber treatments: dip cut tubers in mancozeb solution at the rate 0.3% for 10 minutes. Seed rate depends on tuber size. 15 to 20 quintals per hectare is required for plantation of 1 hectare area. Planting season and spacing. It is a cool season crop generally planted in Rabi season, that is October to November, and Kharif it is planted in June July at the rate spacing 60 by 30 centimeter, 60 by 20 centimeters. Next one is the manures and fertilizers for potato. Well dotted FOM at 30 tons per hectare should be incorporated into the soil 3 to 4 weeks before planting. Fertilizer dose: 100 kg nitrogen, 80 kg phosphorus and 50 kg potash should be applied for 1 hectare area. For irrigation requirement, potato need frequent irrigation. The first irrigation should be given immediately after sowing and thereafter at 1 week interval. After tuber formation, frequency of irrigation is decreased. care must be taken while irrigation that the water does not reach feet to feet up to of the ridges. Irrigation should be stopped a few days before harvesting. Harvesting of potatoes. The size of the tubers increase until the plants become dry. In developed country, potato are harvested by uh, mechanical harvesting. They are manually harvested by digging up the ridges with a spade. Care must be taken that tuber are not injured during the process of harvesting. After harvesting, the crop should be kept in the shade. Yield of potato. The average yield of potato is 20 to 25 tons per hectare is obtained. However, it is depends upon the variety, cultural practices and location. Some special horticultural practices followed in potato cultivation. First one is the dehalming in potato. It is a removal of the stem portion. This practice is generally followed in North Indian condition. There are long day periods and hence even potato tubers mature. The yellowing of the leaves and leaf fall do not take place. Hence the hulls are to be cut 80 to 90 days after planting. As the vegetative part of the plants is cut, the photosynthesis activity is stopped. The peel become hard and harvesting is done. In Maharashtra, there are short day production are done in short day conditions, and hence the maturity period, yellowing, drying, leaf fall is take place. So deholming is not done in Maharashtra condition. Next practice is the earthing up. In order to stop the plant, in order to support the plants cover exposed tuber soil in between the row in is dug out and placed at the base of plants. This operation called earthing up and carried out 40 to 40 to 45 days after planting. Objective of earthing up is provide additional support to the plants and protect against greening. Greening is due to the exposure of tubers in the direct sunlight. Such tuber produce alkaloid known as solanine. Solanine deteriorate the tuber quality. Hence, the earthing up is must to produce good quality tubers which fetch higher price in market. Earthing up is a provide support to the plants with formation of ridges at base of plants. Earthing up maintain aeration and moisture. This is a row of earthing up in potato, and the potato are exposed in sun. That type of greening is green color develop in potato. It is a harmful to the human health. Next one is the true potato seed technology. True potato seeds is a very effective and cheap source of planting material. The storage of good quality seed tubers, high cost of the seeds, transportation problems, virus infiltration in seed tuber are some of the problems associated with the use of seeds. Tuber as planting material The concept of raising potato crop from true potato seeds, that is TPS or botanical seeds, was conceived in India in early 50s by Dr. S. Ramanuj, the founder of director of CPRI. Advantages of using true potato seed as planting material: 100 gram of seeds is sufficient to cover 1 hectare area of planting instead of planting 2 to 2.5 tons of potato seed tubers, being hybrid capable of giving more production. No cold storage facility is required for storing TPS, comparatively more resistant to pests and diseases. Net profit is more as cost of cultivation is less, and also as per the hectare production is much more. The seeds tuber being utilized could be otherwise used for consumption. Thank you.